Well, hello there.
Hi, I'm Kay.
And I'm Ru. And welcome to the Adventures of KayRu. And we are in the kitchen with Kay. And Kay, I've got to ask you, why am I cutting these leaves?
Well, today we are making Korean pancakes.
Oh,
and
favorite.
One of my favorite, favorite appetizers. And whenever I have a dinner party, I usually make this, and because I have all the vegetables in my garden.
Yeah.
So
you know, one thing I've noticed, when we're over in Korea, I've compared Korean pancakes because you get them everywhere, street vendors, restaurants, but yours just have a little something different.
Because I have a special touch.
You have the special touch. I would agree. What kind of leaves am I cutting? I think I know.
Cutting
sesame leaves?
Yes, sesame leaves or kkaennip, perilla leaves.
Kkaennip is a Korean word.
Yes, kkaennip, and I have garlic chives, cut into about 2-inch.
Yeah, 2-inch strips. Oh, those
2-inch strips.
They smell good when you cut into
them. And also I have a Korean pa, means Korean onions. They are little baby onions, and also a couple inches slices.
So,
and I'm just gonna throw them in there into the.
I'm kind of running behind you here.
Easiest things to make. Put all that in here.
Okay, am I good with how I've got it cut?
Yes, it's fine. It's fine. You don't need to do that anymore. This is sesame Perilla leaves into my bowl, and let me grab my seafood already rinsed out. I have mussels, squid, and what is it? Scallops, and shrimp. And I'm gonna put a lot of seafood in it. Dump all this. Okay, I'm gonna add a little salt, maybe probably like quarter teaspoon. So it's gonna sprinkle a little bit. And if you don't have enough salt, you always have a sauce to go with it. So I have, this is a Korean pancake batter, 1.5 cups, but let me see if I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use a half, and I might add the rest of them later. And half cup of cornstarch to give that crunchy and the crunchiness. Okay. Add some water. Okay. Let me use my hands. The Korean pancake batter has it is a seasoned, lightly seasoned, so you don't have to use you don't have to add too much salt. Yeah, I think we have enough. I try to use less flour as possible. Yeah, it's a lot easier with your hands. Use the rest of, so I used 1.5 cups. Okay, so look at this. When you look at this batter, it looks like you don't have enough flour in here. But when you cook it, unless you want a lot of doughy kind of pancakes, but this is just perfect. Got a lot more vegetables and the seafood. Okay. You can add slices of red bell peppers. Gives nice, beautiful color. But since I don't have that today, so we're just doing it without it. Or you can add regular white onions or whatever the kind of vegetables, zucchini, whatever kind of vegetables you have. Kind of make it cabbage. Okay. This one.
Okay, do another one. And then
Our Korean pancakes is crunchy, absolutely delicious.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
I put this up against any of the street food we've had in Korea. I mean, I really do, because there it tastes kind of bland. But I've noticed, like this is shrimp. I saw a baby squid.
Baby squid, scallops, and mussels are in here.
Okay. What could you put? You could put a lot of anything.
You can add
right?
jalapenos, make it really spicy, or Korean chili. You can put some colors in it, like red and yellow bell peppers. You can do whatever. Anyway, so hope you enjoy.
This is kind of a staple in Korea, right? So
Yes,
people kind of phrase that's almost as popular as kimchi.
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Well, have a taste and let's see what this tastes like.
It's delicious.
I don't trust you. I want some.
Yeah.
All right.
Here goes.
There
There you have it.
finish, tell them about the sauce.
Oh, sauce. This is just the low sodium soy sauce with the sesame oil, little chili flakes, and I diced up some green onions and
really good.
sesame seeds. That is it.
Yeah, it's really good. Well, there you have it. That's Kay's recipe for Korean pancakes. So we'll make sure we put the recipe, how to make it, down in the description. We'll also give you the link back to our website where we post those recipes, and you can download them if you want. Even print them out. So, hey, we're a young channel. We keep saying that. We need subscribers. It looks like the views are doing pretty well, but we need some subscribers. So, you know, a couple of things. If you like this, do the thumbs up. If you have any comments and you want to leave, maybe you're familiar with Korean pancakes, and you want to leave some comments, we'd love to see those. And then the other thing, if you could, and I know I've said it before, please subscribe. But thank you so much for tuning in, and happy eating, and we'll do another video soon. I think we got one with that soy milk.
We're going to be making soy milk next time.
All right, we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Bye.